Hey guys, well, I found my new spot for the day today. I was just down in Telluride for most of the day. I was able to get a little internet there and post a couple of small things. Now I don't have any internet. But anyway, I got my spot. The river's right down there. I walked to it, so it's pretty close. I'll do some fishing there tomorrow. The trail takes you right down to it. Beautiful day. Another beautiful day. I'll catch you guys in a bit. Ah, what the heck. Let me see if I can go catch anything right now. Whoop, wrong way. Got a little jungle in here. Little hole up here, I'll try. Some more dispersed cuffing right here, but I looked at the road and it's pretty treacherous. When I leave here in a day or two, I'll check that road out though. Okay, looks like a good spot. Catch you later. Well guys, I finally caught one after three or 4 days trying. But anyway, I caught him on the small, so I just turned him loose. Couldn't eat him. Caught him on this crawler. These crawlers here. Gobbled that down. I got a bite once before you saw the one I caught, but it took the worm. And the second one, the one you saw, this did the job. I'm going to be out there tomorrow with these, and I got some other night crawlers that are Gulp brand. Anyway, wanted to share that with you. Slice of ham for breakfast today. Good morning. Well, didn't catch a thing here. Not this morning. Been here for a few hours. I'm going to say goodbye to the river. Until next time. Hey guys, how you doing? Just thought I'd hop on here for a second. You probably noticed that I was using something different to cook with. I went ahead and bought the Firebox stove and also the Freestyle Firebox, which gives you even more options. The one I just cooked the hot dogs on, that was on the Freestyle 5-inch. It takes a little getting used to. Not much, but it takes a little because you got to time the fire. What kind of wood are you burning? You know, that kind of thing, and the height. But you can also use a Trangia burner in there. You can also use an alcohol burner in there. So your options are pretty good. You got different levels. It's hard to explain. You gotta just Google it and look it up because it's really, really good. I love it, and this is all I'm going to use from now on. And no, they don't. They didn't tell me to say this or give me anything. I've only got 37 subscribers, so why would they, right? Anyway, it's really neat. It's really cool. Let me see if I can get down here and show it to you. I don't know if you can see it. I'm trying to. I can't. Hold on. Let me try something here. I can't turn this around when I'm filming. But here, hold on. Let me try this. Okay, there we go. You've got all kinds of settings on this. You got this. You got different types of these things. It's just really simple. Once you get the hang of it, it only took me 2 days to get the hang of it, of cooking. It's a timing thing for the wood, like I said. But it's really awesome. Little damper here. You can also use this has a damper in a certain way. This catches all your burnt stuff. But every one of these holes and slits have a reason. The guy who did this is genius. Made these. It's awesome. I'm just glad I found it. But anyway, just thought I'd let you know about that and show that to you. In the meantime, I think this is my last night, and I think I'm heading back tomorrow. Thank you guys. We'll talk to you probably a little bit later. All right, bye. Hey guys. Also, if you tuned into just stumbled across my channel and you're enjoying what you see, please feel free to subscribe, give it a thumbs up. It'll definitely help my channel out. I need the subscribers. I've got 37. Let's see how long it takes to get to 100. Anyway, subscribe, thumbs up, and we'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Hey guys, I just wanted to chime in and show you that that's the Trangia burner. That's another way to cook, especially if there's a fire ban. That's just hooked up to one of these. You guys know what these are. And that's about it. Firebox. Well, I was really looking forward to having trout for dinner tonight, but as we all know, we didn't catch one. But that's okay. There are going to be many more of these to come. My tripod broke. This big one here. I got to figure out how to fix that. Not sure. It's coming along. It's coming along, guys. Look at this. It's cooking. Got some salt in it already. It's my dinner time, guys. Grabbing some of that spaghetti that fell out when I drained the water, huh? You guys are really, really alert. Look at you guys. Oh, stop the fighting. Just eat. And then get the hell out of here. Probably about 5 more minutes when it all heats up, and I'm going to be grinding. See you guys soon, guys. Boy, these guys are coming in from behind. Yeah, you better get out of here. It's my dinner, not yours. Dinner is served. I think I'll just eat it out of the pot. It's delicious. Hey guys, how you doing? Just finished eating dinner and my spaghetti. Turned out pretty good. Just put a can of crushed tomatoes in there with 1 can of tomato sauce. Lots of pepper, some salt, and presto. Cooked great over the Firebox. Thank you for tuning in. If you're still watching, I appreciate that very much. It means a lot. It really does. And thank you to all the people who've already subscribed to my channel. And if you just scrolled along, you found my channel by some reason, consider subscribing. It'll help me out. It'll help my channel out a lot. I appreciate it. Other than that, that's all I have until I take off tomorrow morning. I'm not going to do any more filming until I get home and get all this edited and everything. But I'm tired, and that's it, guys. Thank you very much.